And news is coming in. Sources in the BJP are saying that a discussion on close to 135 to 140 seats were made last evening at the CEC meet. The BJP's mind is made up on 120 of those seats, while a final decision on the alliance will now be taken by Amit Shah. There are several other senior party leaders who are keen to save the alliance. Let's get in a word from our correspondent Amita Shedge, who's with us live from Mumbai this morning. Amita, negotiations underway. A final meeting expected to take place today between BJP's top district leaders. Amit Shah has been authorized to take a final decision on whether or not to keep the alliance.
Simi, yes, and the Maha deadlock continues in the 25 years old BJP and Sena alliance. Today is an important day because from last 3 days, they are giving formulas to each other. BJP giving new formula, Shiv Sena is rejecting it. Shiv Sena giving new formula, BJP is rejecting it. Now, final formula given by Shiv Sena says that Shiv Sena will contest 151 seats, BJP 119 and other small parties 18 seats. But BJP has clearly rejected that by saying that the number of seats Shiv Sena offered are same as we contested in 2009's assembly election. So that is the point. Now today the series of meetings are taking place in Matoshri also. Uddhav Thackeray has called all the other leaders, the grassroots level leaders in Maharashtra. So all corners of Maharashtra, the leaders are coming to Matoshri. They are discussing. Most probably today they will announce the first list of candidates, but on the obvious seats from which the Shiv Sena is contesting from last many years. BJP will also do the same thing. They will announce the candidates list from the seats from where the BJP is contesting from last many years. So that will be the second step now, but somewhere the battle is of the seat sharing, the battle is of who will be the CM of Maharashtra. Shiv Sena is saying that we will be having the CM. BJP is not ready to accept that. So there are many points of conflicts, and somewhere the emotional bond is broken in the alliance because both the parties are saying that we have done everything for the alliance. Shiv Sena is saying we have done everything for the alliance what BJP has done. Shiv Sena is giving the past references when Bala Saheb Thackeray supported Narendra Modi and the other things he is saying. So that is the thing. Now today important meetings are taking place in BJP also and in Shiv Sena also. We have to wait and watch what new formula they come up with. Most probably the second step is to announce the candidates on the obvious seats, and they will see each other's reaction on that. Back to you.
My final decision expected from the BJP today. Amit Shah, remember, has been authorized by Prime Minister Modi to take a final call on the alliance. Amrita, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more. Meanwhile, the squabble for seats in Maharashtra is not restricted to the BJP-Shiv Sena alliance alone. The Congress and the NCP are also at loggerheads, with both partners staring each other in the eye over differences. The Congress and the NCP are yet to reach a consensus on seat sharing, with the Congress getting ready to release its list of candidates for non-contested seats. The NCP is likely to take a decision after the meeting of the party's core committee today. The Congress has reportedly offered 125 seats to the NCP. However, the NCP is sticking to its demand of 144. The core committee of the NCP is likely to take a final call on the alliance. The NCP, which fought from 114 seats in 2009, wants to fight from at least half of the 288 seats this time. Basing its demand on better performance in the Lok Sabha elections, the party won 4 seats compared to the Congress's 2. The Congress, however, is reluctant to part with any more than 11 than it already has.
इसके बारे में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में या ऐसे तौर पर चर्चा नहीं होती। ये चर्चा दोनों दलों के नेताओं के बीच में हो रही है।
अभी भी मामला दोनों पार्टियों में अंडर डिस्कशन है। पार्टियों के उच्च स्तर पर ये चर्चा चल रही है और मुझे लगता है कि आजकल में ये फैसला हो जाएगा। ऐसा लगता है हम ये कोशिश लगातार दोनों पार्टियों की तरफ से कर रहे हैं कि एक रीजनेबल अगर सीट्स का बंटवारा हो तो दोनों के लिए विन विन सिचुएशन होनी चाहिए। इस बात से मैं वाकिफ हूँ। तो प्रयास ये है, देखते क्या होता है, पर एक आध दो दिन में ये फैसला होने की उम्मीद है।
Let's get in a word from our Deputy Editor Ashar Ahmad Khan, who's joining us live from the National Capital this morning. Ashar, both parties also digging in their heels. The Congress refusing to give the NCP more than 125 seats. Any developments expected today?
Well, we've seen that the CEC has taken place of Maharashtra on Saturday in the National Capital when Sonia Gandhi returned from her visit abroad. But what we've been seeing in the last couple of days, the Congress party is also readying itself and the NCP is also readying itself. What we have been told is that perhaps a list may be released by the Congress today later in the day, but that list will only include seats from where Congress leaders have contested in Maharashtra. So we'll have to wait and watch as to what exactly the NCP does as far as the offer of the Congress is concerned. What we've also been told is that there are various permutations and combinations which have been worked out by both the parties, but yet a consensus is evading the two.
Absolutely. The Congress and the NCP also keeping an eye on developments on the other side of the political divide. Asha, thanks so much for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more.